Up for sale, we have something real nice, real exotic, real pretty, real custom. 2007 Yamaha R6. This is, I think, one of the best designed bikes out there as far as handling and appearance. I own a Hayabusa and an R1 also. And as you can see, the bike is in very, very clean condition. On the front, we have a carbon fiber hubberger. We have a custom HID 8000K headlight. We have custom windscreen fairings. We have a double bubble fairing. We have adjustable grips. We have gold air intakes. See, professional installed HID light. We have more carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber here. We have the gold gas tank. Hold on there by pressure. Red LED display. We have this little guy here. As you can see, a lot of the fairing bolts, regular bolts, have been replaced with gold. We have a flush mount, LED turn signal. Four and a 2 exhaust, which is really the way to go. Really nice look, real custom, much better sound than 4 into 1 pipe. You can see we have some gold spools here also. More gold. Brakes, immaculate condition, as you can see. The tires, front and back, great condition. The front ones are actually brand new. We have an alarm inside, which is actually the flashing light is inside the tail section. As you can see, there's more gold bolts, gold aftermarket parts. There are carbon fiber tank protectors. As you can see, the seats are in great condition, no rips, no tears. And this is a great bike, great ride. Custom do is go ahead and start this up. So you can see it starts up first crank, even though the light's been on for a minute. See, take off the high beams. Have the 2007 R6 up for sale, and you can see HID light installed. There's some aftermarket parts. We also have some real carbon fiber. we'll show is we have an alarm system on here. The bike is armed now. And as you can see, there's a blue LED light in there, which basically is the flashing blue light, shows that there is an alarm system on there, and has a shock sensor on it. So if somebody does go and hits the bike, let's move it. See, the alarm goes off, and it's keeping your baby safe. Turn off the alarm. You see the lights also flash. What you can do is